Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You guys are watching RroY. I am Tsuneta. In today's video, I am going to react to Kenshi Yonezu Kickback live with Daiki Tsuneta Chainsaw Man OP. It's my second reaction video on the artist Kenshi Yonezu. And I have got a question for you guys. Chainsaw Man opening. So was Kenshi Yonezu the one who the artist behind it, or it's was Daiki Tsuneta, or it's just a cover? Because if it was a cover, it should have been mentioned in the title. So yeah, I would appreciate if you guys answer me that in the comment section, because as I have said to you, I prefer getting answer from you guys as a type of interaction rather than just Google them. So yeah, there's that. If you want to watch this video itself, you can check out the link. It would be given in my description. This video was recommended to me by you guys, and as always, if you want to watch my videos uncut and only, you can go to my Patreon. Again, the link would be in my description. So without further ado, let's begin with this. Yeah, the energy is on point. Ah. Is that Ken? Is that him? Because it sounds very different from the previous song of what I have heard of him. The previous song which I heard from him is called Lemon. Ah, then it's quite, it's quite a fact that to be able to, after hearing that kind of song, to hear this kind of song from the same voice, it's I mean, I didn't even realize that was possible. That's why I was so surprised seeing his name with the Chainsaw Man OP in the title. Yeah, that's him. That's the face I saw in that music video, Lemon. I mean, he's singing in a totally different genre, and no one could say that he's lacking anything. I mean, he's killing it with it. And as always, Japan's lighting in the live performance, I mean, I guess they have dedicated more dedicated personnel for the lightings itself than other things in the show. Oh. And the ever inclusive audience there, they are always so much responsive. I mean, I guess that's why such great artists are coming out from their nation. I mean, which artist wouldn't want such a great audience? Like, they are always supporting them. Everyone is in the vibe. You see, each and everyone is on the stage, outside the stage, everyone is in the zone. Kill you, they are so good in their live performances. Sometimes I doubt. I have a doubt that maybe the live performance itself sounds better than the studio produced music with a ton of things done on them, like their voice in their raw voice in live performance are so good. It's really unbelievable. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any suggestions, comment it down below. I would be sure to react to them. Goodbye till we meet in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.